everybody, and welcome to another edition of Destination Bacon. And you know, in today's world where we're quarantined and we can't really travel, I thought I would take this opportunity today to just talk about bacon. As you know, this channel is about traveling. We travel to bacon festivals. We travel to various restaurants across the country to talk to the owners and the chefs and try their delicious meals. But clearly with COVID-19, we cannot do that right now. So let's just talk about bacon today. I have my handy piggy to use as a visual aid. So let's first talk about American bacon. Where does it come from on the hog? Mainly the belly, pork belly. So how do people make bacon, American bacon? They take the pork belly, and there's two different methods. There's dry curing and there's wet curing. So a wet cure bacon is put in a brine, mostly made up of water, maybe some salt, maybe some sugars. Obviously, everybody has their own recipe, but you will be able to tell the difference between a wet cure and a dry cure because when you fry up a wet cured bacon, it shrinks. Dry curing is a completely different method where bacon makers just use different dry rubs and spices. So salts, maybe some of them might use pepper or rub some garlic powder on it, pink salt, sugar. They will rub that all over the pork belly, and then some bacon makers might put it in a bag and then store it in a cool, dry place or even in the refrigerator and let it cure for up to a week. Other bacon makers will hang the pork belly in a dry, cool place. After that curing process is done, then they will smoke the bacon. Obviously, everybody has their different methods, so that's why you have your different flavors, right? Your applewood smoked bacon, your maple, your hickory. So that's pretty much the American bacon. And in places like the UK, they refer to American bacon as streaky bacon. In the UK, their most popular or common bacon is going to be from the back. It's called back bacon. And in the UK, back bacon is going to be more oval shaped with more leaner in the middle with some streaks of fat. That's their more common bacon, and then they refer to our bacon as streaky bacon. They use both, and they have both there. So in Italy, of course, they have different types of bacon. They have what they call the pancetta, which is cured, but it's not smoked. Pancetta is like American streaky bacon made from the pork belly. They also have prosciutto, which I know many of you are familiar with prosciutto. It is made from the hind or the thigh of the pig, and it can take 9 months to 2 years to make prosciutto. Very thinly sliced. It is absolutely delicious. You can wrap it over some smoky mozzarella cheese or a piece of fresh cantaloupe. Oh, really delicious. So there's a couple of different countries and how they make their bacon. Now, there are different methods of making bacon. 3 ways that I can think of is in the microwave, frying it, and in the oven. Now, depending on who you talk to, you're going to get differences of opinions. Some people say that in the oven is the best way to make bacon. Frying it, of course, to me is just easiest and fastest, but you do tend to get a little more curl that way. And the microwave, I actually, if you've seen my episode where I did the bacon cooker, the microwave bacon cooker, it turned out great. It does turn out, in my opinion, a little more crunchy, but I did cook it slightly longer because I personally prefer crunchy bacon. Some people like chewy bacon, so just don't zap it as long. There you have it. So let me know how you guys are doing. Comment below with the types of recipes you've been making with bacon and post pictures. Or if you've tried some of the recipes I've been posting, tell me how they turned out for you. If you tweaked them because there was a certain spice or a certain specific thing that you wanted to add, let me know what you added and how it changed the flavor of the dish. So you guys know what to do. Be sure to like, mash that subscribe button, and comment below with the types of recipes you want to see on this channel. Until next week, see you then. Be safe and take care.